Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Jeremy from Cars on the Road. So, in Cars on the Road, he's part of the Road Rumblers group. Later, when Lightning and Mason encourage the Rumblers to stop fighting, and Jeremy's first to agree with him, with the others later agreeing. Let's see, his voice actor, if you're wondering who his voice actor is Zeno Robinson. Well, in terms of releases, he was only released twice. One as a single, and the other in a 2-pack with Chief Death. Now, let us have a look at him. So, as you can see, he's very, unique looking. I like it. He got spikes on his roof. Gun. Got a gun, like a Finn missile. Oh, I just felt he's got some little spikes. Yeah, got little spikes on his bonnet, as you might be able to see. What is this, a hammer? Like Thor's, yeah, well, something like Thor's hammer. As he's also got spikes on back here as well, as I literally just noticed. Wow, Jeremy. Spikes, you got spikes, didn't you? Going underneath? No, but it does say, let's see here. Made in Thailand, Disney Pixar, 2022 Mattel. There we go. HKY42. I need Mr. Dockett's help. What does that stand for? Rhett Smith, yeah? That's Mr. Dockett's real name, by the way. And look at this, he's quite rusty, and looks like he's got some little gold powder. Gold dust, I should say, on his window. The back one as well. Maybe it's just sand. Yeah, probably is sand, isn't it? Silly me. Let's see, what else is there? As you can see, he's quite high off the ground. Look how high he's off the ground. You can see he's a little bit, I don't know, a little bit inside. Now, for you dirty-minded people, please don't take that out of context. It's better. And since he's an old car, or is he? Yeah, he looks like one anyway. He's rusting, and because spikes are rusting a lot, because metal and blah 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 blah. You get the point, don't you? Yeah, I do. I thought so. Well, I guess I'll see you in the next video.